In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by going into Settings. Now scroll down to click on Safety and Emergency, and then select Emergency Contacts. Now you can finally hit Add Contact under Emergency Contacts and tap on the one you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one and drag it to the proper place. When you're ready, let go and save your changes by clicking at the top right corner. To get rid of any of your contacts from the list, click on this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!